How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining me. Welcome back. And today I'm going over the KINGBOLEN K Pro Scan Tool. Sounds like a king from Game of Thrones. So if you're tired of paying $300 or $400 a year just to keep your scanner updated, you're going to want to hear this. Let's get into it. First off, this thing is built right. You got an 8-inch touchscreen running Android 10 at 1280 by 800 resolution. The screen is crisp. Reading live data graphs on it's actually enjoyable. It's got a 12,600 milliamp battery, so you're not hunting for an outlet mid-diagnosis, and 4 GB of RAM and storage. There's also a kickstand on the back, so you can prop it up at your workbench. Small detail, but you'll use it every single day. Here's the big one. Lifetime software updates, no subscription fee. Other tools at this price are charging you hundreds a year to stay current. The K8 Pro, free updates permanently. They also bumped storage to 64 GB and made updates ongoing. So this tool grows with the industry. On top of that, you got full bidirectional control. I'm not just reading codes, I'm sending commands to the car. Evap test, fuel pump, radiator fan, injector firing, window and mirror test. Real two-way communication with the ECU. And for the VW, Audi, and Skoda owners, the V.A.G guided function walks you through ECU coding step by step right on the screen. The K Pro supports CANFD, essential for 2019 and newer GM vehicles, and DOIP protocol for BMW F and G chassis, 2017 plus, Jaguar, Land Rover, and Volvo. The DOIP cable is included. You'd pay extra for that adapter on most other tools. Vehicle coverage spans 100 plus US, European, and Asian brands. AutoVIN reads the vehicle automatically when you plug in, no digging through menus. And via the Bluetooth VCI, you can be up to 33 feet from the car. Walk around during a test live and still pull live data. 34 plus special service functions built in: oil reset, EPB retraction, SAS calibration, BMS reset, ABS bleed, ABC, BBD, the East Coast family, throttle relearn, transmission adaptation, injector coding, TPMS relearn, crankshaft sensor relearn, and a lot more. Think about what dealers charge for half of these. This tool pays for itself. If you work on Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram, FCA AutoAuth is supported too. That gets you past the secure gateway module so you can run bidirectional on those vehicles. You'll need to register on the AutoAuth website separately. When you do, choose Think Tool, others under tool type. That's a step people miss. So what's it cost right now on Amazon? It's $499.99. That's 23% off the $647 list price. 34 plus service functions, no subscription. This is a serious tool at a fair price. Link to grab one in the video description below. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you. No, you will see me on the next video. God bless and peace, everybody. Cut. Cut.